Hi everybody, I'm Amber.
And I'm Isaiah.
Yes, and today we're going to review the book Curious George Goes Bowling. Curious George Goes Bowling. This book is by, it's an adaptation by Cynthia Platt and based off the TV series Teleplay, and it's written by Ray Lankford. This is a fun little book. Isaiah loves this book because he is obsessed with bowling. He loves to bowl, and he loves the character Curious George. In this book, Curious George starts off bowling a gutter ball, and he really is upset about that, but then he wants to help out the man with the yellow hat. So he gets his ball, but then his ball rolls into the mud, and then he cleans the ball for him. And then the ball, after he cleans the ball for him, he puts it back in the man's, bowling bag. After he does that, the man with the yellow hat goes on to his bowling tournament, and he realizes he left his bowling ball at home. So George says he's going to get the ball. He rolls it and rolls it and rolls it until it gets right up to the lane, and then he rolls a strike and knocks all the pins down. So that's amazing because he was usually rolling gutter balls. But this book is cute. It has little flaps that you can open up, and then you read the inside part of the flap. And the kids love that part. Isaiah loves that part. He likes to open the flaps and look at what's inside the flaps. The ball rolled past the man with the yellow hat and down the lane and knocked over all the pins.
Ooh.
Oh boy, he rolled that ball so fast, I didn't even see him wind up, said Mr. Rinkins. Isaiah, what do you like about this book?
Because Curious George rolls a long ball.
He rolls a long ball, yeah.
And the man has the yellow ball, but he got it. But Curious George got it dirty, but he cleaned it up again.
You're right. He got it dirty and he cleaned it up again. So you like how he cleaned it up again. It also is a good book because it helps us to know just because you may roll a gutter ball doesn't mean you're not going to get that strike that you need. So this is a fun little book, and Curious George Goes Bowling. Check it out.